In this video tutorial, we will cover inactive buttons. As you can see, I'm going to click and drag a button down into the code window. By default, its button type is a code. If I double click on the code button, the inspector opens, and I can also see the button type here in this menu. In order to make this an inactive button, I can just choose inactive from the drop-down menu. An inactive button is a way to visually organize other buttons in the code window. It's just for aesthetic or visual purposes, and inactive buttons have no value or purpose in terms of coding or anything in a timeline or movie package. When I enter code mode and try to click on this inactive button, you see that nothing happens in the timeline. Now when I return to edit mode, I'll demonstrate a typical way that inactive buttons are used to visually organize code buttons. First, I'll make this inactive button larger. To do so, click on the button and then click on a resizing knob and drag to the desired shape and size. Then I can drag code buttons from the toolbar on top of this inactive button. Now if I switch over to a code window that I previously created, you see this simple use for inactive buttons. I have grouped player code buttons by centers and guards. How to name code buttons will be covered in detail in another tutorial.